G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm just going to do a bit of a walking tour in Melbourne, the city of Melbourne, obviously in Australia for all those who don't know. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. And there you go, there's a iconic Melbourne tram going past, as you can see. Here we have the National Gallery of Victoria, that building there. Just got to walk across. And that is a theatre there, I forgot the name of it. There you go, the Forum. Forum Theatre. Plenty of tourists here. And we're heading towards Federation Square, which is just up ahead. Acme, is that part of the Roadrunner? The Roadrunner, every time the Coyote found a new product, it was Acme. I think that's, I've read it before, the Australian Academy of, I don't know, of something. I'll put it up on the the video what it is. There you go, shows you National Gallery of Australia, atrium. There's that Acme building, the main square, which we'll go in there now, have a look. Car park. It's SBS. That's a special broadcasting service. And across there, that yellow building in the middle there, that's the Flinders Street train station. The Central Railway Station. Let's climb up here. Whoop. Get dive bombed by a couple of seagulls. Okay. Last time I came here, there was a big screen somewhere around the back there, and there was a live sporting event. I can't remember what it was. Maybe the Australian Soccer side was playing overseas. Okay. See some of the buildings from Melbourne City. Here we are, it's just at the front of Flinders Street Station, as you can see behind me. There you go, the famous clocks. That's the Central Railway Station of Melbourne. We have Federation Square across the road there, St Paul's Cathedral on the other corner, and Young and Jackson's pub, 1875. Young and Jackson's hotel, now it's a pub cafe down the corner. Inside the train station, and I think this building is heritage listed. Obviously we're not going to catch a train, we're just having a quick look in here. I haven't been on a train for a few years. Obviously I'm not going in. There you go, the platform's straight ahead down that way. And I'm not going through the gates because I haven't got a ticket. I do have a My Key Pass, which is the card that you use to tap on and off. So you basically go to these machines and you tap your card on there and it opens the little gates there and you can get through. On Princess Bridge at the moment, so just dodge all the people. There you go, Princess Bridge. You can have a look, part of the city there. That's the Yarra River down there. Heading towards Crown Casino, South Bank. And across there, right in the middle of the picture, if I can just move across. Right in the middle of the picture, about up there, is the MCG, which we'll try to get to a bit later. trams by the looks of it. That is the Melbourne Town Hall across there in the middle. They light that up around Christmas time. They're full of lights and projections. Looks pretty cool. A few old buildings. We have the AIA Vitality Centre, which is Collingwood Football Club's home ground, training facilities. And here we have Melbourne Park, which is where the Australian Tennis Open is held. Not a big tennis fan, but over there is John Cain Arena. Yeah, John Cain Arena, the MCG in the middle. Rod Laver Arena there, and behind it I think is Margaret Court Arena, which is where I'm about to head. I better have a look at my GPS. Okay, according to my GPS I'm close, but it's behind this arena. Oh, there's a gentleman there, so I don't know whether it's worth asking him. I don't know how we get through unless we go around. Now I'm trying to find gate 3. Okay, I don't know if you can see that on my phone. That's where I am. Trying to find gate 3, Margaret Court Arena. Rod Laver Arena. Obviously this is the entry to go into Rod Laver Arena. There you go. Cool. That's the MCG there with the big light towers in the distance. Excuse me, mate, how do I get to Margaret Court Arena? Do you know?
Yeah. You just go down the steps.
Down the steps, yep.
And it's just on your left.
Oh, okay.
That gold-coloured roof is actually Margaret Court.
Ah, okay. I thought we were trying to find it. Thank you. Cheers. There you go. I don't know if you heard that. I have to go down the steps and then turn left. The golden roof, which is right around there, so it's behind this big one. Okay, so here we are. Okay, that's gate 3. So basically that's where we need to come. Right in there on Sunday night. Margaret Court Arena. Singles champion 1956-59, Mary Carter Reitano. John Fitzgerald, Mervyn Rose, Thelma Coyne Long, obviously past champions, Australian Open champions, Pat Cash. There you go. Everyone knows Pat Cash. Come on! I think he used to, was it Pat Cash or Leighton Hewitt used to always say come on? That's probably Leighton Hewitt, but anyway, Pat Cash. Brian Tobin, I'm not sure who he is, President of International Tennis Federation. Daphne Ackhurst. How cool. Mark Edmondson, winner of 6 Grand Slam titles. Patrick Rafter. There you go, there's Pat Rafter. He's a bit more modern times, 97, 98. Wimbledon 2000, 2001. Pat Rafter. Wendy Turnbull. Todd Woodbridge. Mark Woodford. Obviously people that are into tennis will know most of these. I think I've heard most of the names, but I'm not a big tennis fan. Jane O'Neill, Beryl Penrose Collier, Rex Hartwig, David Hall, sorry. It says Order of Australia Medal OIM after it, and I thought it was part of his surname. Kerry Melville Reid, Judy Dalton, Ken Fletcher, Elwyn Davidson, and there's more. They keep going all around to the other side. Australia versus England Ashes Test Match Series starts in under a month. I think at the end of November. Currently it holds about 100,000 people, so it's a pretty big ground. And they're looking at doing renovations to one of the stands and increasing the capacity to 105,000. Okay, which Bill Ponsford, and there's a stand name behind, well, once you go inside there, the Bill Ponsford stand. Cricketer for Australia, 1900 to 1901. There's several of these statues around the MCG. Just check into this statue here. It looks, without looking at the front of it, looks like Dennis Lillee. Statue of Dennis Lillee, DK Lillee, legend of Australian cricket. There you go. Dennis Lillee. Retiring in 1984 as the highest test wicket taker with 355 victims at 23.92. Obviously, people have surpassed that. Here we go, the first recorded game of Australian football. There you go. And that was 7th of August 1858. After 3 playing days, the game ended in a draw. So yeah, they played for 3 days and it was a draw. 1858. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I had a few things to do here in the city in Melbourne, so I thought, well, I'll bring my trusty old GoPro and take a video and around the city and then Melbourne Park, obviously. Bit of a fact-finding mission to see where Gate 3 of Margaret Court Arena was, because I'm coming here again with Mum on Sunday. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I need to do a few more videos instead of being too lazy and make more on YouTube, which I hope to do eventually. But I hope you all have a good day, be safe, take care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.